Last week also I filed a memo. It has not been
Come.
Discussion of interim bail matter.
My lord, this is criminal division with regards to juvenile minor challenging or
Yeah.
kindly come forward.
Am I pardon, my lord? The item note 271, the co-accused person already released on bail, my lord.
Mhm.
Quickly.
We'll see. You'll go serially.
small matter 399,402.
We'll see that. Will come. Call them.
Taken up tomorrow.
Call the matters. Call.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Pardon the pension, my
Supplement.
in weekly list, my lord, 126, my lord.
We'll go serially, madam. Yes, item number 1.
Yes, my lord. Up and down, my lord.
Pardon, my
Extended this. Yes.
Item 3.
May I please read me? Modification order additional granted bail on 19/5/2023.
Yes.
Subject to condition 50,000 cash security, but he is in custody. He could not able to collect the money. Since then,
The Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that in spite of the bail order dated 19/5/2023, since the petitioner was unable to furnish the cash surety, is still languishing in judicial custody. After hearing the Land Council for the state, the order is modified. The cash surety stands waived. The remaining condition stands confirmed. Yes.
Item 4.
Belgium matter.
Yes.
The petitioner was earlier on bail due to default. NBW was issued.
It is mentioned in the rejection order.
My
that
lord,
you
my
are.
lord,
Where is that line? Please show me.
my lord. Page 12. Last line. Since the present accused petitioner default in attending court on the date NBW was issued against him, and he was arrested on the strength of execution of NBW.
Since when you are in custody?
Custody since, my lord, 11/9/2023.
11/9/23.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Tripathi. He was on bail, defaulted in taking steps. NBW was issued, by virtue of which he was taken into custody on 11/9/23. Belgium condition allowed.
Okay.
Item 5.
5, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. Devi Prasad Patnaik, kindly let this matter may be taken up before any other bench.
Why? Why I want to ask to know the reason. Yes, madam.
Mr. On behalf of Mr. Devi Prasad Patnaik, let this matter may be taken up before any other bench, my lord.
All right, place this matter before any other bench. Yes, next.
Obliged.
Item 6.
Please, your lordship. My lord, the appellant is custody since 5/8/2013, my lord. Offense under 20B2C of the NDPS Act, my lord.
You have not been released on interim bail?
Yes,
here?
interim bail twice, my lord. The petition was released, my lord.
When you were released on bail last time?
Last
21/11/2022.
yes, my lord.
And you surrendered at
Yes,
right
my
time?
lord. Right time, I have surrendered.
All right, he is in custody since 5/8/2013. Twice he has been granted bail, and after availing the same, he surrendered. Last time he was granted bail on 22/8. So that is IA is allowed. He is released on bail, interim bail for 3 months. Fix a date, you will file the surrender certificate. Okay.
My lord, regular bail consider, my lord, 9 year 8 month in custody. 9 year 8 month in custody. Regular bail may be considered, my
What is the sentence?
10 year, my lord.
Okay, 10 years in custody, 10 years sentence. He is custody more than 9 years. Keep that decision of Muhammad Muslim. So it is bail is allowed.
Obligation.
Yes.
Item Item number 11.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I am for my lord sub-item 230 of 2020.
230 of 2020.
My lord.
Okay, which IA you want to press?
My lord,
There are two interim applications, one for bail, the other is for interim bail.
interim maybe my lord is not pressed.
Okay, IA number 1375 of 2022 is an application for interim bail. Learned counsel for the petitioner doesn't want to press this application, disposed of as not pressed. Yes.
My lord, convicted for 10 years, my lord, under section my lord 20B 2C of NDPS Act. My lord.
Yes.
During trial, the petitioner was on bail, my lord, and never misplayed the liberty granted to him, my lord. And from the date of judgment, petitioner inside custody.
What is the date of judgment?
Judgment, my lord.
So, 2020.
My lord.
It's a commercial quantity.
And 3 persons were apprehended, and
no, it's all right. So, what is the total period you have remained in custody?
Lord, during trial, my lord, the petitioner in date of occurrence, my lord, 22/6/2017, and released from jail, my lord, 24/6/2017. 24/6/2017, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, the petitioner inside custody from the
when you were released on bail?
From released, my lord, 24/6/2017.
अब custody केबे गले?
Sorry. 19/11/2016.
So it is 6-7 months. Now it is 3 years and 7 months. So it appears 4 years and 4 months, 2 months you are in custody. You have not completed half of the sentence then. Put up after ensuing puja holidays, learn counsel for the state shall produce the custody certificate. Yes, this is in IN number 488 of 2020. Hello?
For interim bail.
Asu holidays for us.
Oblate.
Yes, next.
Item 12.
I am in the sub-item, and petitioner is an old person and suffering from, your lordship kindly have a glance to 1/8/2023 order, and he need homely care and urinating in the bed. And he requires further treatment, regular treatment, and more than 8 years he has remained in custody, and out of 14 years, and he is 75 years old. And doctor advised him for complete bed rest. He cannot move himself also. In the last order, it is also the medical report reflected so. He is also undergoing treatment.
You were granted bail on 14/12/2022 in IN number 21/2020 of 2022 or prior to that.
It is on 1/8/2023.
1/8/23.
Yes, interim bail for 3 months.
Just a minute. 1/8/23 order kind of. You are pressing which item, Mr.
CRLA 461 of 2020. Sub item
461, it is the 641.
641.
1/8/23. Okay. Okay, you are granted interim bail for 3 months.
Yes.
So, when you are released on bail?
4/8.
4/8 means that period has not expired. You are.
Yes, because he needs more treatment to go outside, and the old person he has to carry by somebody else.
No, you have filed an
IA for extension
of time.
Yes.
So there is still time. There is no problem. We can take up this matter after puja holidays, because you are supposed to surrender on 4th, right? Mr. Das, this is an application for extension.
Let it
so let it come on the week commencing 30th. You in the meantime take instruction on that
medical
extension application, right? The lekhondu. This is CRL number 641 of 2020. IN number extension application ta copy diyontu. Mr. Das, is it available with you? 2459 of 2023. How to copy the IN number 2459 of 20 is an application for extension of interim bail. Learned counsel for the state has received the copy. They have question there and seek some time to obtain instruction. Place this matter in the week commencing from 30th of October 2023. Yes.
May it please, Lordship.
Item 13.
Lordship, item number 12, the first item. I'm there. CRLA 537 of 2020.
What modification you want?
Milord, may kindly see that IA number 2067, Milord. Milord, while granting bail, Lordship has imposed a condition that she should deposit the entire fine amount. In the meantime, Milord, out of 27 lakhs, she has already deposited more than the half of the amount, Milord, 14 lakhs 50,000. Now the predicament is he is suffering from breast cancer, Milord. Now she has no job, Milord. Only her
Which
father
order
is.
you want to modify?
Milord, that IA number 1035 of 2020. And again, Milord, Lordship has
59/2022.
Milord, 59/2022. The order dated 5/9/2022. And again, Milord, order dated 14/12/2022.
5/9/2022. Okay.
Milord.
No, a submission was made
Milord,
that
that is true, Milord.
the petitioner is ready and willing to
Milord.
deposit the entire fine amount.
Milord.
And that was the consideration for grant of bail. And I fixed installment, not that at a time.
Not at a
I
time.
said that you are to deposit the cash surety
Milord.
at the time of release on bail, and you will give an undertaking
Milord.
that you will deposit the balance amount in 12 equal monthly installment.
Again, Milord, after that, Milord, Lordship has again modified that order.
No, you, by virtue of this initial order,
Milord.
You deposited that cash surety of rupees 6 lakh.
6 lakh.
You are released on bail.
Milord.
How many installment you have given?
Milord, 2 installment as per the first order, Milord.
Okay.
1,75,000 each for 2 installment.
Okay.
Then Lordship on the order dated 14/12/2022, Lordship has modified the monthly installments to 50,000 from 1,75,000. I have deposited till today, Milord, till the October, I have already deposited 14,50,000 out of the 27 lakhs.
No, have you got the documentary proof with you?
Milord. That is in Annexure 1 series.
All right, we will take up this matter. This requires calculation. You provide those documents to the.
I have already served the copy, Milord.
IN number so and so. This is an application for modification of order dated so and so. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that out of 27 lakhs of which the petitioner is supposed to deposit in the trial court as per order dated 5/9/2022, he has already deposited a sum of rupees
14,50,000.
14,50,000. He has provided the documentary proof in that respect to the learned counsel for the state. We seek some time to verify the same. Let a report be called for from the learned. Who depending on
Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Baripada.
Okay, learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Mayurbhanj Baripada in GR case number 1239 of 2014 regarding the amount deposited till date by the petitioner. The report should reach on or before such and such date. Register Judicial shall communicate the order to the concerned court. Matter to be listed we commencing from 30th of October 2023. Yes.
Item 13.
One
1482.
ସେମିତି ତ କିଛି ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ ଆସିନି ଆଜି।
ମିସକେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର CRLA 190/2021.
ଆଇଟମ 13 ମାନେ ହଁ ଆଇଟମ 13 ରେ ଦିଟା ଆଇଏ ଅଛି But that number he's telling that is not there in the cause list. What is that number you tell?
1482.
ଅଛି କି ଦେଖିଲ 1482 ଅଛି cause list ରେ ଆସିନି ନା ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ. All right. On what ground you are seeking for interim bail?
Line number 2, wife is surgery.
What is your instruction, Mr.
My lord.
Item number 13, IA number 1482 of 2023. Appellant's number 2's wife requires surgery. He has liver problem. So medical document has been filed. Have you obtained instruction or you will obtain instruction?
That we have already asked because the wife is residing at Bihar. Bihar. We have written the letter to the Superintendent of Police, Khagagiri, Bihar, my lord. But still they are waiting.
Pursue that so that it can be taken up. The London IA number so and so. This is an application for interim bail 1482 of 23 on the ground of ailment of the wife of the petitioner, who is stated to be suffering from liver problems. Land Counsel for the state submits instruction has already been sought for from the concerned police station, and the matter may be taken up after ensuing puja holidays. List this matter to be commencing from 30th October 2023. This is item number 13. Okay. Yes, next.
Item 14. 15.
Pursuant to Lordship direction, the petitioner is released and already current. The total conviction period is 10 years, as against which is already 7 years, 6 years plus already.
You are granted interim bail for 3 months.
Yes, twice, and I have already.
Twice you have granted.
Yes, madam.
And last time when you were released on interim bail, where is that surrender certificate?
My lord, that's annexure, page 5 annex. On third, the interim bail application period was lapsing, and I have surrendered on this.
11/7/23.
On third, I have surrendered.
No, the session judge report is 11/7, wherein it is mentioned that you surrender on 3/7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. I.S. Wanso for bail submits that he has already remained in custody for 7 years, and twice he has been granted interim bail. He surrendered at right time. No chance of early hearing of the appeal. Paper book has not been prepared. 3 months more bail granted. Yes, IA disposed of. Fix a date for surrender, filing surrender certificate.
Item number 16. My lord, here, out of 10 years, my lord, he has already been more than 8 years in custody under section
Have you
304.
got the custody certificate?
Your lordship had called for a report from the trial court.
Acha.
The last occasion.
Last occasion who order ta
5/9/23 ରେ
he was granted 4 months and so and was directed to file the surrender certificate. Already surrendered in the however surrender certificate not filed. Let a report be called for such purpose and so on. While submitting the report, the land trial court shall mention as to whether the petitioner has availed
Surrender
the
certificate.
interim bail period and he has surrenders and okay. What is the report? Huh? Flag? ବସ ପୁଣି ଘୁମେଇଲେ ପୁଣି ଠିଆ କରିଦେବି ଇଏ the convict appellant named this one for availed the interim bail order passed and pursuant to the and interim bail one for the direction to surrender. In the meantime, convict made surrender 31/3/20. So, Mrs. Patnaik,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
better you, since he stated to have remained in custody for 8 years, so in view of the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, so better, why don't you bring that custody certificate
certificate ଆଜ୍ଞା
and it will be taken up after. Look, on the Land and Counsel for the petitioner submitted that out of 10 years of substantive sentence imposed by the Land and Trial Court, he has, the appellant has undergone almost 8 years of sentence. Let the Land and Counsel for the state obtain the custody certificate from the concerned jail superintendent. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 30th October 2023.
Section 18 21.
Submitted on the year. I have to serve all the deposit copies with the.
Mr. Counsel, whether you are required to file an interim application or not. You are granted interim bail. Now you have surrendered. Again, you are to file an interim application or not. Have you filed it? Then how can you argue a bail application when there is no application before me? Yes, next.
Item 21.
Might please your words. Second application in criminal appeal.
Yes, Mr. Pujari.
My
please.
second application in criminal appeal. This petitioner's bail was rejected first time. Other accused, 3 other accused persons, they have been.
What is that order?
That
1-11-22.
Prior to that, I have dealt with the bail application.
No.
Then it has to go to that bench which
My-
has rejected Lekhondo. It appears that Honorable Justice Sasikanth Mishra, while adjudicating the bail application of all the bail appellants in IN number 1423 of 2022 as per order dated 1/11/2022, though granted bail to appellants number 2, 3 and 4, rejected the bail application so far as appellant number 1, Shudhir Kumar Biswal. Since this interim application has been filed for reconsideration of the bail application of appellant number 1, place this matter before the appropriate bench with the approval of the Honorable Acting Chief Justice. In view of the ratio laid down by the Jharkhand Road decision, 3 judge bench decision, set out rely for further.
Item number 22.
a date to file the surrender certificate. Yes, item 23.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your
Is
Lordship,
a
in the
SC
last...
matter.
No, my lord.
Then conviction.
CCL, Your Lordship. CCL,
Okay.
juvenile. Last occasion, Lordship director provide to local jury. Today he has played it.
You require time for verification. Learned counsel for the state submitted that today the learned counsel for the appellant has supplied him the names, address, documents of two local sureties, and he requires some time to verify about the authenticity of documents and genuineness of the bearers. List this matter after ensuing puja holidays. Date fix up kar debe. The instruction may be obtained in the meantime. Yes.
Oh, please.
Item number 24. 28.
Yes, Mr. Panda.
Operative part is at page 62 minutes.
In this case, my lord, we had filed a comprehensive affidavit. We have to take instruction that.
No,
How
that
many-
affidavit may kindly be ignored. I am filing another affidavit, my lord.
How many cases are there?
6 cases.
6 cases. Learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. Devasis Panda, submits that earlier he had filed a comprehensive affidavit, but the same may be ignored, and he is filing the another comprehensive affidavit today in court, which is taken on record. Copy of the same is served on the learned counsel for the state, also in court, who seeks some time to go through the same and obtain instruction. This matter after ensuing puja holidays.
Matter number 29.
Wait, please, my lord. My lord, I am appearing in VC, my lord. My lord, as
Yeah.
per the last direction of this honorable court, I have already supplied the documents pertaining to 2 local sureties, my lord, on last Monday, my lord. My lord, till date, no instruction has it
My lord,
received.
I have received that affidavit on 9/10/2023. I have also on the same date, I have also forwarded it to the department and also issued a reminder on 15/10/2023.
You are expecting it by within this, okay. KT will take up this matter after, immediately after. Lekhundu, Learned Counsel for the appellant submits that he has supplied the names, documents of 2 local sureties who are ready and willing to take the appellant on bail. Learned Counsel for the central government council, na NCB. Learned
Senior
government
penal
counsel for the government counsel for NCB.
No, my lord, Senior Penal Council, Union of India.
Just senior panel counsel for Union of India, है ना? Submits that after receipt of those documents
On 9/10/2023.
on 9/10/2023, it has already been sent for verification, and the matter will be taken up after ensuing puja holidays. List this matter after puja holidays. Yes.
Grateful, my lord.
Matter number 30.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes. Siddharth Shankar Roy, 2. Not there. Kai mention kartile. All right, pass over karan. Next.
Item 34. May I please your lordship?
Yes,
My lord,
item number 34.
the lordship has granted 1 month interim bail, my lord, on the ground that the petitioner's wife was pregnant and a male child was born. That is, he is 23 days old, my lord. He is suffering from jaundice, my lord. So this is the application for extension of interim bail period, my lord. The surrender date is on 22
Gave birth to a male child suffering from severe jaundice. Also. Your 1 month has expired already.
No, 22/2023, my lord. That will expire.
So you have become father in the meantime.
Yes, my lord.
कौन असुविधा वर्तमान कौन है कहार कौन पे एक्सटेंशन हबो
The child is suffering from jaundice, my lord. So for his treatment, my lord, 1 month is required, my lord. The child is
छोटो छुआ गुड़ा को हुए से पुनी भल ये आ कौन
jaundice is
अपन तो एमकेसीजी रे ट्रीटमेंट होउचंदी आ कौन दरकार
continue. He is the only person to look after his child, my lord. The lady can't do that. So extension.
Correct, you don't see. There is an instruction on 12/9/2023. Their family members are there. They are taking care.
What is the date of birth of your child?
Exactly, he is 23 days now, today.
26.
23 days, man.
20 तो 21 गलानी आ कौन आ
This severe jaundice also, my lord. Take care. Extension.
22/10 रे तारीख अछि माने सरेंडर करिवा दियम the London Council IN number so and so. This is an application for extension. After perusing the grounds taken in the interim application and going through the report produced by the London Council for the state from inspector in charge of so and so, the surrender date which was supposed to expire on 22/10/2023 as per amendments taken in the interim application is extended till 15th November 2023. It's made clear that no further extension shall be granted. Yes, next.
Item number 35.
Protected appeal, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Item number 35.
Please, your lord, 2 minutes. On behalf of
376(2)(I). This is the D of IPC and section 6 of Bookshot matter. Treaty part is at 36 and 37 matter.
376
2I and 376D of IPC.
have you supplied deposition copies?
PW6
You-
is the victim matter.
You are on bail during trial.
No,
Trial court record bhar karo.
trial court record already there.
Oh, it's all right. So who is the victim?
Victim is PW6 and Dr. Mallard PW12. Doctor is not supported the prosecution case. I have supplied Mallard certified copies. PW6 and PW12.
13 years girl. There was my family members, both the accused came, and then they took me. So what is your submission?
My lord, PW12 is the doctor. The remain not supported the prosecution case. My lord.
Oh, 13 years girl also. She was 16 years. You obtained the status of the victim and also the criminal antecedent.
For my station, no criminal antecedent.
All right, we'll see that. Status of victim and CA after Puja holidays. Yes, next.
Item 37.
May I please, Lord? The appellant faced trial and has been convicted under section 307 for 10 years, my lord. And during trial, he was on bail, my lord. Your lord, see page 11, my lord. Tukuna arrested on 9/5/2017 and released on 8/8/2017, my lord. Police fired the Lambutarin got the injury, leg injury, my lord.
Two years under Arms Act, then 4 years under 27 Arms Act, 10 years under 307. Who is the injured?
Injured the Lambutarin, my lord. Second case, my lord.
No, your lordship. The one of the accused is the injured, of course, but other than prosecution, PW 12, 8 and 10. 8, 10 and 12. But
Just a minute.
again,
PW 8,
10 and 12.
PW 10 and PW 12.
Kintu in the doctor's examination, that is PW 17, he has said that he has not examined PW 8 and 10. He has only referred to injuries of PW 12, which are simple abrasions and are not are simple in nature.
No, but what is the weapon of offense?
They say it is gun, but there is no injuries per se. It is there in the doctor's medical examination, your lordships.
Then who has examined 8 and 10?
8 and 10% your lordship is the deposition of PW 17.
17.
Again. PW 17.
I examined Prashant Rahita.
He's one of the.
Who is he?
PW 12, your lordships, one of the injured.
Prashant.
Again.
So he found swelling, size, so and so, abrasions. Both the injuries are simple in nature.
Lordships.
Injury was brought to so and so.
Your lordship.
On the same day, I examined Pochipura Lambu.
He is the accused. The second appellant in the connect. Lordship may see para 16.
16.
Your lordships.
It's not a fact that on the same day, along with so and so.
I had also examined. The Asio Sabbar is PW 8 and Santosh Kumar Jena is PW 10.
Mr. Tripathi,
Yes,
CHD PW 17 has not examined these two witnesses, PW 8 and PW 10. Then who has examined them? Because this there are 3 injured.
Yes.
12 has sustained simple injury. So the other 2 injured are 8 and 10.
8 and 10.
So who has examined them? Any other doctor examined?
Is there another doctor, but सेटा accused examination करता रहा leg टा ampute कर देते.
ना सी तो 8 of 17 भी कहूची तारा injury विषय.
Another one is PW 20. He is another doctor, but nothing with regard to the prosecution.
21 also doctor.
But सब जगह more. They are with regard to the accused, not with regard to the prosecutor.
PW20 होउची काको एग्जामिन करथला लंबू alias नारायण तारिणी
आज्ञा I am the
that is the
accused.
accused
आज्ञा
तापर आउडे किए
21 से भी आज्ञा मते एक्सेप्ट कर. My leg was amputated, Lordship, so I was repeatedly treated on separate dates.
yes she is right Mr. Tripathi
Yes, ma'am.
आपण जो दीटा देखेले PW20 और PW21 both of them have examined this accused Narayan Tarini
Lambodar.
Huh?
Lambu alias Narayan Tarini. आज्ञा
लंबोदर ना होची नारायण तारिणी alias लंबोदर and there is amputation.
Yes. In custody since 10 years, out of 10 years, 6 months and almost 6. I was shown to be arrested on 12/6, Your Lordships, but incident took place on 34. So, the medical 2 months rakhile, but they showed me to be arrested on 12/6.
So this Narayan is in judicial custody for 6 years.
Almost, yes, Your Lord. More
And
than
what
6
about
years.
you?
I am released on page 11, my lord. I arrested on 9/5/2017 and released on 8/8/2017, my lord. And till from judgment, I am in custody, my lord.
Judgment date केवे?
Judgment date is the
Judgment, I guess, 18/7
18/7.
So you were on bail, but during trial you were on bail.
Yes, my lord.
For 3 months.
After no 3 months.
Yes, sir.
से किछि दिन रहिगिन तापर complete bail ले थिले.
आज्ञा.
Then judgment was pronounced in 23. Heard the London Council for the faster leg दियंतु 4842 of 2023. Trial court record of Harpun. The London Council for the appellant Tukuna alias Sabyasachi Padihari submits that the appellant was taken into judicial custody on 9/5/2017 and he was released on bail. Can you tell me the date of release?
8/8/2017, my lord.
8/8/2017.
Yes.
And after pronouncement of the judgment, he was taken into judicial custody on 18/7/2023. The London Council further submits that the prosecution, according to the prosecution case, there are 3 injured persons, that is PW8, PW10 and PW12. The doctor PW17 has stated that PW12 has sustained 2 simple injuries. Trial court record one on the PW17 PW17 is the doctor, huh? One on the knee, the other is on the left elbow. Huh? Both the injuries are simple in nature. However, he has the doctor has stated that he has not examined PW8 and PW10. The London Council further submits that one of the co-accused was facing trial with the petitioner, namely Narayan Tarini alias Lambodar alias Lambu, has also sustained injury and his leg was amputated. And the petitioner has good chances of success. Balance of convenience is in his favor. There is no chance of early hearing. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state opposed the prayer for bail, considering the submission, nature of accusation, since the petitioner was on bail during trial, absence of any chance of early hearing, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail, stay realization of fine. Bail allowed, stay fine.
Mine is
Next one is CRLA number 913 of 2023. Trial court record of the London Council for the petitioner, Ms. Pratyusha Naidu, submits that the petitioner Narayan Tarini alias Ulla alias Chai Ketana na dargi Lambodar alias Lambu is in judicial custody since 12/6/2017 and since that day he has never been released on bail and as such he has completed more than 6 years and 4 months in judicial custody out of 10 years of sentence imposed by the Learned Trial Court. तापर से डॉक्टर पोर्शन तक लिखि देबे आ ये होची से जो इंज्योर्ड टा हला बेल अलाउड नेक्स्ट
Oblige your lordships.
sterilization of fine
Highly obliged.
Item number 38.
been in custody for a total,
Deposition copy supply ହେଇଯାଇଛି
my lords,
Mr.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
20B2C of the NDPS Act, I have been convicted, my lords, for a substantive period of 10 years. I, along with another person, who has since been released by my lord. Lords, there is total non-compliance of Section 50 as has been admitted by the IDO, who is PW10, and PW3 is the SDPO also.
No, what is the, how many years you are in custody?
Well, it's page 14, if your lordship will see, it is to be calculated 5 years and 5 days as per my calculation as UTP, and 2 months and 18 days as at present after conviction.
Sentence is 10 years.
10 years, my lords. That apart, my lords, the independent witnesses have turned hostile, and non-compliance of Section 50 has been categorically
So,
admitted.
who is this?
Anant Meher.
Anant Meher was arrested and released on bail. So, get the custody certificate, Mr.
Yes, my lord.
Garden State Council seeks some time to obtain the custody certificate of the appellant Anant Meher. Place this matter after Puja holidays. Yes.
Grateful, my lords.
Item 40.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, IA number 2072 of 2023
May I please also.
May I please your lordship. In this case, I am for the petitioner. I have filed this CRLMC to quash the order dated 22 to 23, rejecting my application to recall the witness DW1 and 2, and also further pray for quashing the order dated 14/3/2023 for quashing the order of Lord Gram Nyadhikaran com JMFC Sukinda, rejecting the prayer for accused persons for addition of Amulok Kumar Pushti, because these two persons are required because during the pendency of the case and during the trial, it came to the notice that these two persons were present when the check was issued to the present accused persons matter. And in further also petitioner prays for quashing the order dated 29/8/2027 passed by the JMFC as to reject my prayer for sending the check to the handwriting expert matter, because this account belongs to Mamata Sahu, my lord, which is at Annexure 3.
That application was rejected when?
On 2-3 occasions, my lord. The first prayer, my lord, under Annexure 6, page 29. Rejection of order dated 28/2/2023. Annexure 6 at page 29, my lord.
That's a 311 petition now.
Yes, my lord. That was rejected. And also subsequent on 29/8/2027 at page 80 at paragraph 17, my prayer for sending the, it has been quoted, my lord. 29/8/2017.
How can you in one CRLMC you will challenge different types of order?
This is the last order, my lord.
Not
the
for question of last order.
Annexure 6, my
Your
lord.
nature of prayer is totally different.
Yes,
on different types of order has been passed. One order you are challenging in the very same application for recall. The other application for your prayer was turned down for sending it to the handwriting expert. That is not permissible. You have to file separate application.
I may be permitted to withdraw the case with liberty to file
the Learned Counsel Vidyadhar Pradhan, Learned Counsel submit. Seek some time to withdraw the application. Seeks permission to withdraw the application to file a better one. Disposed of as withdraw.
Your lordship already directed to complete within a period of 1 week.
ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଲି ଆଜି ତ ତୁ withdraw କଲି ଆଉ ସିଏ ତମ
ଏ judgment
with liberty to
Judgment ଟା stay
file
ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
better case.
Yes, next.
Item number 42.
Mr. that. Hala, eitaku lekhi diyantu. CRLA number 260 of 2020, Mr. D.P. Patnaik, Land and Council, appears through virtual mode from virtual High Court, High Dhenkanal. List this matter along with CRLA number 230 of 2020 after ensuing puja holidays. Yes.
Pardon to interfere, my lord. Item 33.
33.
Supplying the deposition copy of the depositions.
Wait. कौन हला?
Deposition copies supplying.
এটা কোন conviction case তো?
Yes, my lord.
আমার কি দরকার নেই, আমার ଅଛି তো। আপনি you supply it to the state council. It's a case of conviction, right?
Yes,
so what is the offense here?
304.
304 part 1, sorry.
You want to press it today?
But
after লেখুন the learning এটা 33 রে খালি 8 পর্যন্ত non appeals টা কাটি দেবে। Land and Council for the appellant supplied the deposition copies to the Land and Council for the state in court today, who seeks some time to go through the same. List this matter after puja holidays. Huh?
Obvious.
Yes.
Quickly list item number 1.
May I please your lordship, my lord? Here is the offense under the 370 AB. The petition
Yes, Mr. Sahu.
Bilateral number 4648 of 2020, lawsuit has directed to review my prayer after examination of two witnesses.
Yes.
But till date,
may I date me kindly please.
We will find it in evening hours.
the trial could not be commenced due to want of chemical examination report. Lord, this is the last order of the
Dion. Earlier application
was
that is
disposed of by
468.
this court, my lord, had order dated 25/11/2020, where it was
This position is still like that.
my lord, for want of chemical examination, no trial could be commenced.
All right, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes, my lord.
You contact with that director of that which forensic science laboratory? Is it regional or state forensic science?
I have no knowledge.
Then ଆପଣ କେସ୍ କରିଦିନ ଆପଣ କରିବେ ଆଉ କିଏ get prepared, it will be taken up tomorrow. ଏଟା ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼ ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼
ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼ର regional
DFSL ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼.
ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that while rejecting the earlier bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 4648 of 2020, liberty was granted to the petitioner to renew the prayer for bail after examination of the eyewitnesses in the trial court by order dated 25/11/2020. But till date, no charge has been framed as the material objects have not been produced. C report has not been produced in the trial court. Learned counsel for the petitioner has filed the certified copy of the order sheet to substantiate such submission. The C report is to be collected from District Forensic Science Laboratory, Sundargarh. Let the learned counsel for the state instruct the director of the concerned DFSL for sending the C report to the learned trial court, that is additional session judge from Sundargarh in ST case number 59/40 of 2020/2022. Matter to be listed after ensuing puja holidays. Free copy of the order be handed over to the learned counsel for the state for compliance. So once you send it, there will be a direction to frame the charge.
Yes.
And early examination of those eyewitnesses. So everything depends.
Yes.
So after puja holiday. Yes, next.
Item number 3.
My lord, your lordship, my main prayer is for interim bail. Your lordship, last occasion directed my learned senior to take instruction, my lord. I have included the medical document, the mother of the petitioner, my lord.
Which is the ground you have taken that mother is...
Mother is my lord, kidney patient, my lord.
But have you annexed any medical document?
Here also annexed, my lord. As per annex.
So what is your instruction, Mr.?
Instruction not received, my lord.
So get the instruction.
Yes. My lord,
there is no order earlier. Is there any order?
The 2 times your lordship oral directed and 1 is judicial order, your lordship.
Order आगे अच्छी की देखिले कहीं अंदर तक किसी बाहर नहीं हाँ किसी नहीं तो किसी देखो the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that in this bail application the petitioner is seeking for interim bail on the ground of ailment of the mother of the petitioner who is stated to be suffering from kidney problem and requires higher medical treatment. Medical documents have been annexed to the bail application. Land counsel for the state seeks some more time to obtain instruction in this respect, lest this matter after ensuing puja holidays. Instruction be obtained in the meantime. Yes.
Item number 4.
Specific report because the mother Elmaid Miller.
My item 63 may
called for the report.
63
the last.
my lord. I have
तो काली पुणी 5 रु धरिबे असुविधा
ନାଇଁ ମେନସନ କିଛି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆର ସପ୍ତାହରେ ମେନସନ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଗୁଡାକ
ଦେଖିବା କାଲି ମୁଁ ଆସେ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା
ମାଇଲା ଡାଇନାମିକ